G'day, I'm Brendan and this is a quick review of pruning shears branded as Aldi's WORKZONE hand tool. So, you know it's going to be good. I got this for Christmas from Ralph. I've been a gardening enthusiast for most of my life and I've gone through dozens of pruning shears over that time. These ones here have outperformed just about every other set I've gone through, including working at a nursery. I've been using these this morning, so I might just give them a quick clean up before we continue. Okay, so I've given it a clean up. As I said, I do use them every day, so they're not perfect, but according to the box, it's got 5 in 1. So, to start with, it's obviously got the shears themselves. Quite good to use, nice and easy. Close it back up. Got a saw. Nice teeth. So it's fine to medium teeth pattern. We've got a knife, which I'm not going to demonstrate for you right now. We have rind strippers. Now, I did a quick Google of what rind strippers were, and if my wife sees my search history, I'm going to be in a lot of trouble. So if you know what they are, please feel free to mention it in the comments. And we've got the hanging clip. So we're going to talk a little bit more about this now. The weight itself is really nice, really sturdy. It's got a full metal construction, no plastic anywhere in sight. Really rigid. You could drop this and wouldn't have any issues. The way it holds, it's got nice curved handles. Your fingers fit in really nicely. Open it up. Nice spring action. Comes back. You got full control over this. It's beautiful to use. Stainless steel, though I can't see any markings on there whatsoever. And as you can see from the footage, it wipes off and cleans up really nice. Now we'll take it outside and show you what it can do. I'm going to rate these as a 5 out of 5. They are just better than any other set of secateurs I've ever had. They do exactly what they say they're going to do and more. As I said, I don't know what the rind strippers are. What do you think, Ralph?
Yeah, 5 out of 5. I agree with that, Brendan. No problem at all.
Okay, it's unanimous. Geoterrics, first 5 out of 5. So if you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.